Check out this 70-piece rivet nut insert kit from Renegade Industrial. This Trade Tools exclusive kit is designed for the efficient and reliable installation of rivet nuts in a variety of materials. Ideal for professional use, the kit comes complete with a robust 16-inch rivet nut tool, 7 mandrels from sizes M3 to M12, and a selection of 70 nuts, all neatly organized in its own blow-molded carry case. The steel aluminium body construction, comfortable rubber molded grips, and heavy-duty mandrels boast durability and longevity. Simple to use, it's as easy as inserting the mandrel into the tool and connecting it to its threaded sleeve, screwing the rivet nut onto the threaded mandrel, inserting it into your workpiece, and squeeze the handles until the rivet nut is secure. Engineered for precision and ease of use, this kit ensures secure and consistent rivet nut installation for construction, automotive, and industrial applications. Easy to use and built to last, these Renegade Industrial 70-piece rivet nut insert kits are perfect for your workshop, garage, and more. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab your own at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.